Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at Genesis of Kirkland and we're going to be taking a quick look at this 2021 Genesis GV80 with a 2.5 turbocharged engine, and this is an all-wheel drive mid-size luxury SUV. This exterior color is called the Adriatic blue, and this has black interior color. This usually comes standard with 19-inch tires, but this is equipped with 22-inch. Makes it to be really amazing. And on the exterior, this has a wheelbase of 116.3 inches and a ground clearance of 8.1 inches. This 2021 GV80 is the first generation, and like I said, this is powered by a 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission with an overdrive technology, and this produces 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque with a 0 to 60 of about 6.4 seconds, which is not bad for an SUV that has a curb weight of 4,464 to 4,806 pounds. And for MPG, you get about 21 miles to a gallon in the city and 25 miles to a gallon on the highway, which is not bad. And this is equipped with a fuel tank of 21.1 gallons. And yeah, so this is really an amazing SUV. This beautiful GV80 currently costs about $64,600, and one of the most amazing features that this GV80 comes with is the rear self-leveling suspension. And let me take you to the interior and show you what the amazing interior of this GV80 is like. Please, if you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe, press the post notification icon, and like this video. Okay, I am in the rear seat right now, and the room you have back here is unbelievable. And here you have your climate control in the back seat. You have these vents here, and you also have this beautiful armrest, and then back of the seat you have this storage compartment right here. It's really nice and roomy back here. On the interior, for the front headroom, you get 40.2 inches, and for front leg room you get 41.6 inches. And for second row headroom, you have a 38.4 inches. And one amazing feature with this GV80, when you open the door, you have your automatic and telescopic steering wheel that adjusts, which is really nice. And let's see, you have this pad right here. It's very nice, so you can actually use this when you turn it like that. It changes like what shows on your digital display. And you have these 4 buttons in the middle. You can use that to actually change what you want on your screen, which is really nice. And this gives you like a feeling. It shows you when you actually click on it, so you can know that it's actually working, which I think is really nice. And let's see, and here you have USB charging port, and let's see, and your wireless charging pad right there. Now if you turn this drive mode and select, if you turn it, this is what happens. It changes your drive mode. So you have sport, you have custom, you have comfort, you have eco, and you have snow, which is really beautiful. And I love how bright the digital display cluster is like. Yeah, so instead of breaking up the vent, you have one vent, which is really beautiful. And on the seats you have some controls on the seats right here to actually, let's see what that does. You can use that to move the seat forward, or you can also use this to adjust the lumbar support, which is really nice. And here you have a glove box that is very massive. Let me bring it to life and show you what it actually is like. So when you start the Genesis, and this is what the digital display screen is like, and this has like the rotary dial for your transmission, and you have your rear, neutral, and drive. So, and here you have your different drive mode. And one amazing thing is that as soon as you start this beautiful GV80, you will hear that beautiful ambient sound. Right now it's like birds. And yeah, you have another touch screen. You have your cool seats, you have your heated seats, and you have your heated steering wheel. You have your AC, and you have your front seat and your seat control right there, which is really nice. And you have your nice climate control.